Afternoon, and welcome to another mechanical weekend. Got some upgrades going on. Really simple stuff in the shop today. This beat crap tripod that I've been trying to rebuild and get working properly. Got some donor parts for it. It seems the youngest man of the household has once again torn apart and destroyed something of his mother's. So she spent the $5 to get a new one, and I got this one now. A lot of the bolts are missing out of it, but a lot of it's still intact. So let's figure out what the best parts are between the two of them. See if we can't improve our situation here. All I need right now is a screwdriver. Hey, look, a screwdriver. So this one has an intact nut in here, so I can put a bolt in there to hold it. This one has a proper cross bolt, so I can use that. And build it on this frame. There we are. So we'll put that nut in here. Into that hole there. I have to do it this way. Put it in first upside down, then put the bolt in. All right, now I got it. Pull that nut tight. Step one. Okay, that. See, this needs the nut in it, which I got here. Oh, come on, get out of there, you cocksucker. That needs the nut in this end. Which will go in, whether it wants to or not. Oh, you fucker, get in there. Okay, so I take this whole thing apart again, then do that. To cover the hole so that don't fall out when I take it apart. Because I've got the right part now. There. You know those pliers I just fixed a couple of days ago? I think they're going to come in handy. All right. Put that in the right spot. Now, got the right bolt for it. So now the nut's in there. Put that through. And get this cross handle in there where it's supposed to be. That's for raising and tilting the camera and whatever. Then we get this nut in. Make sure it don't fall out. Put my finger over the hole there to make sure it don't fall out. put it in place, and put this bolt in. There. And we put it on the wrong goddamn one. Jesus Christ. I am brilliant today. We're replacing this bottom end, and I didn't replace it. This is the one we want. It actually has intact parts. There. There goes that bit. Now this piece, now that we have a bolt that'll fit it, we won't need to use the chopstick or the toothpick anymore to raise and lower it. We can just use this. All right, so we're at this point now. Now the top. We've got this top, which we could actually use, but the padding's just about shot on it. There. So I replaced it with that other one. We got the proper bolt for it. This one here. I might actually have an almost complete unit now. Now, should we use this piece or that piece? Which one of these should I use? I'm thinking we'll use the original here. Let's bend it down to show you. There's that hole the nut goes in. There. That goes in there. That goes here. We don't let the nut fall out. And we put it all together. And that will work so much fucking better. Just to check, because I'm curious, is this... No, wrong size thread for that. But we do have this for spare parts now, which is good. Thought I might be able to use this little T-nut here, or this one here, to replace our screw. But we don't, and it don't matter, because it works. And we got enough spare parts to deal with whatever needs dealing with, including another stand. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but got it for parts. All right. So we have improved our position by taking the parts from two broken cheap-ass tripods and making one that's almost intact. There. All right, that should do it for today. Talk to you next week.